We are out on the Peace River, and we're gonna go shark tooth hunting and whatever else we could find.
Imagine that. We're off on another adventure. I know it's this one right here.
Oh, there it is.
You guys want to see him, bro?
Stop.
Look at him.
It's crazy that he's just sitting there.
You don't think anybody can see him right now? What was that? We're only keeping shark teeth though because our fossil permit's expired.
Yeah, we did not renew that. It's been a few years since we had the fossil permit. We did have to rent a canoe because the river is really low and our inflatables were not recommended to come down this river because of all the limestone. Okay, Mark just caught a fish. He got a flounder.
That's a piece of bone. That's a piece of a bone. Here's a little shark tooth.
Oh yeah, that is.
Fucking chunk of bone. That one's from a person.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it might be. Yeah. Actually, this might be a good spot to dig because that's a bone.
Dang, they're everywhere.
That's a rock. That's a bone. This might be a good spot to dig right here.
Alright, start digging.
You run you up in the bushes, dude?
No. Hey.
Clay here too.
Is that a good sign when there's clay?
Jawbone to something. Look at that one.
Oh my gosh, that looks like a
bone.
bone. I was trying to think of what type of bone it was, but I couldn't think on the top of my head. I wanted to say femur, but I don't know if that's right.
A moonshine.
Ew! You're gonna make it stink. Why would you do that? Maybe like right there, like see where the rock stops? Dig like right at the end of it. Or the limestone, I guess is what it is. Mark is paddling me all around while I get to enjoy all the beautiful views and all the flowers and wildlife.
Like a down South Florida gondola ride through 200% humidity and 102-degree temperatures.
Sounds about right. Man, this river's crazy low right now. And thanks for exploring with us today. If you're enjoying it, please like and subscribe. It'll help our channel grow.
Some big old bones.
Yeah. Now I just gotta find the big megalodon. Oh my gosh.
That looks like cow bone. That thing's gotta be fresh. Pretty sure that's a piece of calf. Got me a knuckle bone. That's a bone. That thing didn't go to no cow because it's been here for us.
Oh wow.
Look at the joint on that thing. Definitely a bone.
I wonder what it went to.
Something big.
What'd you see?
A mammoth piece of wood.
Oh my goodness.
This fossil hunting isn't going quite how we expected it to.
No, it's a lot of river and we don't know where we're really supposed to be digging at.
And now we're going to go down a waterfall.
I hear the rapids. The Florida rapids.
Probably a good place. We're going right over the top of it. This looks like more fun right here.
And we're walking over the rapids because
you're going down in a boat.
I'm going down it in a boat.
Just kidding. We're hanging out here for a little bit. So you guys have a good place.
All right.
Poor God, he wrote it out. The whole thing's still here. That bone's been part of the limestone forever. There's that. There's a fragment right there. Let's see if we can put it back together. This one was probably goes like something like that. That's millions of years in the making right there. Find a megalodon tooth poking out of there.
How cool would that be?
Super cool. about rope swing?
I am not. This water is way too shallow right now. And I still wouldn't, even if it wasn't shallow. So I'll be living in that hole. You gonna go noodling?
Later.
I know, it's crazy that we haven't seen anybody on the water except for the one person. Well, he's booking it. We got a lot of water in that thing.
I just put more water in it.
Did you?
Yeah. Rinsing it out, dude. What are you doing?
Wondering what you're doing.
Rinsing out this canoe.
You need help?
No.
Okay, good. All right, so we're back from our canoe trip. Just got dropped off from the camp host. Don't laugh at our haul of our shark teeth findings, but this is what we found today.
Big day on the river.